Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to find jobs on LinkedIn. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your LinkedIn application. Once it will be opened, then on the bottom of your mobile screen tap on this option, Job. Now here are all the available jobs on LinkedIn. Scroll down to view more. In the search bar, you can also search for your desired job, like I search for video editor. And now as you can see, all the available jobs for video editor are appearing here. Tap on any job that you like the most, and you can read all the information about that job. Tap on this option, Easy Apply, to apply for that job. So, it was the primary way in which you can find jobs on LinkedIn. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.